Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Sagittarius, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, Sagittarius. If you want more clarity in your situation, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy, guys. So you can stay tuned for that reading, Sagittarius. So let's start with these cards here. We have Abyss of Stars in reverse, Fool in reverse, and Five of Moons in reverse. So with these cards in your situation, guys, it may be in your work situation or it may be in your relationship. So today in your situation, guys, you have some kind of doubt, something is confusing you, maybe you do not have that clarity, and you are, maybe for some of you, you are just taking a day off, maybe taking rest. You are so much stressed, so much pressured, and you feel that you have to take a break. Maybe for some of you, I see you taking a holiday today, guys. And also for some of you, you have a lot of distractions. It may be in your work or it may be in this relationship. You love this person, but you have some qualities you expect for the person you love. Maybe this person does not have those qualities, and you are looking for those qualities with someone else, maybe for some of you. So some kind of distractions because of that, and it may take you towards some mistakes, guys, on your part. So if it is something really fleeting, maybe you are fleetingly interested to know someone, or just for fun you are speaking to someone, it is not going to change anything. But if you are in a relationship with two people at the same time, it is going to create a lot of problems for you for this love in your relationship, guys. And Sagittarius, I also see that in your situation today, there is a person quite important to you. This person is all the time criticizing you, or they want you to do the things their way, guys, how they see. So they are dominating your decisions, controlling you, and you simply do not like the way things are. You do not want them to control you, and this may be the person you love. Maybe they are criticizing you too much and you do not like their criticism. You like them, but their criticism is really irritating, and you feel that you cannot take it anymore, and you just want to this is not what you expected in this relationship. That may be the reason you are distracted. You are finding what is missing in this person, trying to find that in someone else, Sagittarius. So you need to understand that, guys. Maybe if it is your energy towards this relationship, you should not be too judgmental. You should be open hearted if you want a harmonious relationship, guys, Sagittarius. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards, Sagittarius. If you want more clarity, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. Thank you, guys. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. So this is your first card and this is your second card. Whichever card you want to choose, you can first close your eyes, think about your situation, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with the first card. We will see what it is. I'll keep this card aside. So for those who chose this card, we have the juniper tree. So with this card, guys, the energy is that in your situation today, guys, maybe you are feeling extremely guilty or responsible for certain things. Maybe it has happened in your life or certain circumstances that has unfolded in someone close to you. So, and you feel really guilty because you feel that you are the one responsible for those circumstances or the way things went. But in truth, you need not feel sad and stressed because it is not your making and this is not your fault. And you need to understand that you are someone with a good heart. That is the reason you feel sadness for someone else, troubles or worries, guys. And you need to understand that you should not lose hope and keep doing the right things you are doing right now and being really compassionate. And you are someone really compassionate. That is what I see, guys. And this sadness or stress, whatever it is the making of someone, some kind of person. It may be a third party involved in your situation, in this relationship. So you are doing the right things, but you are taking the responsibilities for all the faults or mistakes that have happened. And this is the time for us to stop the blame game and shift our attention. So we need to be compassionate. We should not be impulsive. And when we are that way, we are going to get a second chance at our life, second chance in this relationship or in that particular circumstance, whatever has unfolded and whatever is stressing you today. And you need to understand that the truth in your situation will reveal itself, because we cannot hide truth for a long time, guys, whether it is our mistake or someone else's mistake. We can never hide truth, never bury truth. So that is the energy with this card. And we should not act out of our anger or resentments. We should always be kind and compassionate and be patient. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So for those who chose this card, the second card, let's see what it is. We have new life. So the appearance of this card in a reading just means that this is a very auspicious time for you in your relationship or any kind of partnerships you have taken up in your life. So it may mean even your business collaborations or a beautiful beginning in this relationship. So if you are already in a connection with someone you love, you are going to see positive transformation in this connection. You are going to experience more intimacy, harmony and vibrancy in this relationship, and you are going to feel a much more deeper connection with this person you love. And if you are single and if you are open to a new relationship, this is the time for a new beginning coming up in your life, guys. So you are going to find someone new, and that relationship is going to be so fulfilling, filled with harmony, balance and sweetness of that togetherness, intimacy and that blessed understanding you both have with each other. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, it is a new beginning you are seeing in your life today. Maybe in your relationship or maybe in your work situation. Whatever it is a very auspicious card, guys, and it denotes a new beginning and a new life. So that is the reading with this card, guys. I hope this reading resonates. If you like this reading, please like and comment, and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.